What's up YouTube? So today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can get a green screen without having an actual green screen. So as you guys can see, so this is my camera right here. I actually don't have a green screen in the back, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how to get that. So what you have to do is you're gonna have to go on your browser. Then once you go on your browser, you're gonna have to search on Nvidia Broadcast. Once you search on Nvidia Broadcast, make sure you click on this option right here where it says Nvidia Broadcast app, AI, enhanced voice and video. Just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on download now, this option right here. It should take a while, as you guys can see right here, and it's downloading. Once it downloads, you're gonna have to open it. Now from here, as you guys can see, it's downloading on my screen, so just wait for a bit. Now from here, if this option comes up, just click on continue. Then once you are in the video broadcast, what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on this option right here, or it says video, which is the second option. Now from here, make sure you select your camera. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on this option right here, where it says virtual background. Now from here, you have many options such as blur. You could blur out your background. Or what you could do, you could have a virtual background, which is right here. So just click on this option. Now from here, you're going to have to click on replace. Now from here, you're going to have to go on your browser again. And you're going to have to search up green screen. So just click on the first option right here, for example, green screen. Right click on it, save the image. Once you save it, come back to your broadcast. Click on this little plus sign right here. Click on pick a file. Now just select the image you got. And as you guys can see, now I have virtual background. So obviously I got to fix my camera a little bit to make this get used to it. But as you guys can see, I do have a virtual background. And if I go back on my studio, as you guys can see, I have a virtual background in the back. Obviously, if I move my camera, I got to fix it up a little bit. But that's basically how you get a green screen without having an actual green screen. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.